Hey everybody, it's Todd. Let's take a look at installing ProofKit. So starting at the home page, you can just click the download button. You just enter your email and we will email you a link. We only use the email to let you know if there's any updates that are important. We're not adding you to any lists or anything like that. You can click and watch the overview if you want, but we're going to jump right in and get started here. And I've already downloaded the plugin. And here it is. Now, before you start, you do want to go through and make sure you have all of these prerequisites here. Cursor, Claude, Desktop, or Codex, or any coding agent that is MCP compatible. We're going to be using Claude here today. Node.js 22 and 24. 26 is a little early, but it'll do. PNPM version 11 is recommended. We're going to be talking a bit about chat mode versus code mode later in the videos. You'll see that. But we're going to start by just going through these steps. So this is the short version, the 5 steps here. And we're going to start with the first one. We're going to click right through, which starts me over here. You can see I've already got a video. This is an older version. And we're recording a new version because there's been some changes. So we've already downloaded ProofKit. So let's go ahead and do that. Now I am going to, it says to restart FileMaker Pro and your coding agent, and I have already quit FileMaker, and I'm going to quit Claude right now so that they're already ready to go, and then I will run the installer. So I'm just going to walk through here, agree to the license, click continue, install, and wants my password, and installing some scripts. That should be pretty good. We're good to go. Okay, so next we're going to add a ProofKit add-on to the file. So let me open up my FileMaker file. And there we go. I'm going to go into layout mode. I'm going to go grab install add-ons, and I'm going to choose the ProofKit add-on and install it and go out of browse mode. That is pretty much it. We do want to check and make sure that the plugin is enabled. There is a plugin. So we're going to go to FileMaker Pro settings. We're going to go to plugin. I'm going to select ProofKit here. Now, there's a new configure option here, and this will allow you to enable enhanced security. Basically, this just turns on one more authorization window. It will prevent any unauthorized access of the MCP server. But it's sort of a secondary measure. It's really already pretty good. But if you want to be doubly sure that everything is secure, you can enable this. So we're going to go ahead and enable it and click OK. And then what are we doing next? Let's look at the docs. What does it say? Enabled ProofKit plugin. Now we are going to run the connect script. So I've got enhanced security on. You'll see what that does in a minute here. And that's pretty much it. So the last thing we want to do is open up Claude. And where's Claude? Booting up here. Taking its own sweet time. Let me go to get this set up here. Okay, so here we are. Oop. Let's close that down. All right, so I've got Claude up. I'm starting in chat mode. Later on, we will switch to code mode, but this is fine for right now. So what I'm going to do is just click this prompt here to copy this prompt, and go ahead and paste it into Claude. And I'm going to use Sonnet's fine for this. I like to use ProofKit. I like to use Opus 4.7 when we're setting it up, but actually Sonnet's pretty good too. And now we're seeing this new authorization dialog. So that is now will allow those connections to go through, and connection is healthy. And it's telling us a little bit about what's in the file. So there you have it. That is the new authorization section that we've added. It says there's one authorized session there, which is saying Claude AI. We can revoke that if we want. Basically, the difference with enhanced security is that this individual Claude session is authorized. So that's the additional layer that we've done, is we've tied authorization to each particular agent that is connecting to the file. Just a little bit extra layer. That's it. If you don't want to bother with that, you can just go into the plugin settings and click off Enable Enhanced Security. That's it. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.